open up Device Manager, click on the Network Adapters dropdown. Now, if you're using Wi-Fi, double click on your Wi-Fi adapter, press Advanced, and here just disable any power saving settings. All of the common power saving settings are going to be on your screen right now. So make sure that you disable these. Make sure that transmit power is set to the highest value and set the roaming aggressiveness to medium low or the lowest value. Press OK. If you're using Ethernet, double click on your Ethernet adapter, press Advanced, and once again disable all of the power saving settings that are available. A list of all of the power saving settings under Ethernet are going to be on your screen. Disable all of these settings. Also disable flow control, interrupt moderation, large send offload, TCP checksum offload for IPv4, and the UDP checksum offload for IPv4. Now open up CMD as an administrator and copy and paste these two commands that will be in the description of this video. Once this is done, you can close CMD. Next, click on Start, type regedit, open up the registry editor, and then paste this path that will be in the description of the video. Now double click on NetworkThrottlingIndex and set the value to the small letter F 8 times. That is going to be the small letter F 8 times. Set the value as a hexadecimal, press OK, and then you can close the registry editor. For the next tweak, we need to use the group policy editor on Windows. To check if you have the group policy editor enabled, press Windows plus R and type gpedit.msc and then press OK. If you get an error like the one shown on screen, this is what you need to do. Open up CMD as an administrator and then copy and paste these two commands one at a time. So copy the first one, press enter, and wait for this to complete. Once the process is done, you can copy and paste the second command. Once again, you're going to wait for the entire process to complete. Once this is done, you can close CMD. Once again, press Windows plus R, type in gpedit.msc and press enter. And this time the group policy editor should open up. If you're still not able to open this, I'm going to provide a link for a guide on setting this up in the description of this video. Now first click on Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Network, then click on QoS Packet Scheduler, and then double click on Limit Reservable Bandwidth. Now enable this and set the bandwidth limit to 0%. Now click on Apply and press OK. For the next tweak, go back to the main screen and then left click on User Configuration, click on the User Configuration dropdown, then Windows Settings, and then right click on Policy Based QoS. Now press Create New Policy. Now set a name for your policy and then set the DSCP value to 46. Then press Next. Here you need to set this to only apply to the applications with this executable name. Now you need to open up whatever game you want to get lower ping inside of. Right now I've got Fortnite open. Then open up Task Manager, right click on your game and press Open File Location. Now on this exe file, right click, press Rename, and then copy the exact name of this file along with the .exe extension. Go back to the Group Policy Editor and then paste the name inside of this box. Now press Next and then press Next once again. Now click on Finish and then you can close this window.